Hey guys, so I'm about to make a smoothie. Just got done working out and now I get to have my meal. So today's going to be carrots, papaya. Of course, you guys know I put lemon juice in every single smoothie, and strawberry. Boom. Period. Alright, I put my papaya, like the softer fruits, I put last because once you turn this upside down, it's by the blade, and it'll be easier for the blade to break it down. So I put the soft fruits on top. This papaya was so sweet and perfect. I didn't even like papaya as a kid. I hated it. So it was nasty to me, but I don't know, I guess when you become an adult and when you want your nutrients in, you do what you have to do. My TV's in the background. I'm hoping it doesn't mess up my video, but you want to add your lemon juice for better absorption of nutrients as well as getting rid of the toxins in your body. So this is my post-workout smoothie, and yeah, so pretty much you could even use this as a smoothie bowl because the consistency is thick on this one anyway. I think it's because of the papaya, but it's fine by me. I enjoy making these drinks. They're delicious. They keep me full until lunch, and I'm okay with that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this easy, simple, delicious, nutrient-packed smoothie, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye guys.